If you need to repair a tire, you can use your tire repair kit. Refer to your owner's manual for the location of the tire repair kit and follow the instructions in the owner's manual. First, remove this sticker from the air compressor and place it somewhere visible. Pull out the hose and power plug, then remove the cap from the air compressor. Next, remove the cap from the sealant and screw the bottle clockwise onto the bottle holder. Screw the hose onto the tire valve and make sure the pressure relief valve is tightened. Plug in the power cord and place the vehicle in the on position. Then turn on the compressor to inflate the tire to the specified pressure. When the air level reaches the specified pressure, turn the compressor off and disconnect it. Drive the vehicle for 10 minutes at speeds no greater than 50 miles per hour, then check the air pressure again. Always make sure to maintain the specified pressure. It is recommended to visit a Nissan dealer after using the tire repair kit. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.